Planned obsolescence. In 1809, a British chemist had connected two wires to a battery and attached a cardboard strip between the other ends of the wires. The charged carbon glowed. What was created then was the world's first incandescent light bulb, invented by Humphrey Davy. Although invented, it was not until 1878 when Thomas Edison had created the first commercially practical incandescent light bulb, paving way for mass production and commercial use. A few years later, in 1924, the Phoebus cartel, consisting of the world's leading light bulb manufacturers at the time, most notably Philips and General Electric, had been created to control the sales and manufacturing of commercial light bulbs. The creation of this cartel was important in global economy because it was the first to engage in large-scale planned obsolescence. Now, planned obsolescence, what is it? Planned obsolescence, or built-in obsolescence, is a policy of designing a product with an artificially limited useful life. This would make the product unfashionable or no longer functional after a certain period of time. This provides businesses an everlasting flow of customers to buy their products. With the incandescent light bulb, the industry standard was at 2,500 hours at the time the Phoebus cartel had formed. This standard was then later dropped to 1,000 hours by the 1940s. The policy did not just stay there. Also in the 1940s, the chemical giant DuPont had created a long-lasting stocking for women from a revolutionary synthetic fiber, nylon. DuPont, later realizing what had been done, redesigned the stockings to make the fibers weaker, resulting in a product that had an extremely limited lifetime. Currently, high-tech profile companies have been implementing this policy along with the notion of perceived obsolescence. Now, perceived obsolescence is when a customer is convinced that the latest release is needed even though the current product is working well. Apple has been notorious for designing products like this. They keep in mind the products that they have right now in future releases and plan perceived obsolescence as it's implemented in it. Consumers will line up in droves even though the functionality is the same. Moreover, although continuous consumption from consumers will help the market economy, it becomes a severe problem for the environment. Continuously replacing existing products instead of repairing creates more waste and pollution, uses more natural resources, and results in more consumer spending. Other consumers can perform makeshift repairs on their defective products by simply using the tools and materials on hand. Finally, to end off, there has been some positive light to the situation. Because of the exponential pickup rate of technology, the power has shifted from companies to consumers. Consumers are now more than ever about products and the services provided by businesses, and therefore businesses are forced to ensure that the customer is always happy. This provides motivation for business to provide the best products and services at all times, or risk getting thrown out of the industry. Thank you.